are flammable are normally volatile. Like petrol. You leave petrol out because petrol is always evaporating.
Yeah, but it's not the liquid that's flammable, it's the...
It's the vapor.
Yes, the vapor.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. That's why we said it's volatile, and volatile means that it turns quickly from liquid to vapor.
So it gives off of it, yeah.
And then when you take your cigarette out to have a little puff, okay,
the vapor catches fire.
just sets alight. So no fags inside here. Okay. So we've got all this here. We've got the eye protection, please. Goggles are just in front here. Okay. So we've got that. What else have we got? This is a test tube type investigation. So you know where the test tube rack is. You've done a lot of this already, which is just behind, towards the last table. You would need corks for some of the test tubes. You know where the test tubes are? They're on the right hand side above that metal cabinet there. You would need we missed out on what's going on.
We're just being immature here.
Yeah, we're just being really immature. Sorry.
No, it's all right. Okay. It's always nice sometimes to go back a bit. Go back in time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like a quantum leap, and then you see yourself about 2 or 3 years old, doing all the naughty things, and then you realize that you're not 2 or 3 anymore. Come back to reality. They always say everybody has got a child within them. Okay, right now. So we've got all these things here. Let's go to the procedure. We have been doing some combustion ones. Okay, could we, instead of everybody doing the combustion one, if the first person is doing it, or so, we just gather around and have a quick look instead of burning it, because the reason is that today is quite cold, and when we start opening the window and all that, we'll be feeling quite cold after that, and we don't want the place to smell. If it smells, we have to open windows and all that. So in terms of combustion, because of the situation, just one person will do it at the back, and then we'll get everybody round to see how it is, and we record it.
It's easy.
Easy work. Secondly, reaction 2. Remember that what halogenoalkanes are we dealing with? There's a list of them. Do you know what? Shall we just go through the list so that we know which halogeno we are dealing with? We're dealing with, if you look at the front, it's got a whole list of them, okay? And these are, shall we start with the first one? 1, bromo what? Butane. Second one is what? Chlorobutane. Okay, next one is? Very good. Fatima, what's the next one? Good. At least, yeah, you are with us. Yeah, I just wanted to check whether you are with us or you left the room. Okay, next one is what? Okay, so Anton knows this very well. It's on top of it. Okay, so Anton, can you tell us what we're going to do for reaction 2?
Reaction with aqueous alkali.
Yes. So I didn't hear you very well.
Yeah, I just read the title.
Yes. Okay, so what are we doing with that? So we're just doing a reaction with aqueous alkali. Shall we just go through the procedure so that we know what we're doing? We said to 1 centimeter cubed. 1 centimeter cubed. So how do we estimate 1 centimeter cubed? Andras, tell us.
We use a pipette, so it's like 1 drop of the water.
Is it just 1 drop?
No, it's 1
milliliter.
Yes, you suck it up. It's not 1 drop.
Yeah.
A lot more.
It's a whole pipette.
Yeah. 1 drop is very small.
Okay.
Please don't go and tell those people 1 drop.
Okay. Whole pipette.
Okay. Then what do we do next? We followed by 0.5 centimeters of the 2-chloro-2-methyl propane. How do we do that?
Half a pipette.
Sorry?
Half a pipette.
Half a pipette, yeah. Because if one this thing is it's not the whole pipette, it's just when you suck it once and then you just do half of it. Nextly, shake side to side, then test the chloride with an equal volume of nitric acid. Where do we get the nitric acid from? Remember, if we look behind Nilofer, and you go, there's a metal cabinet just behind Nilofer and Fatima. And you open it, you will see some trays with different solutions in it. So you need that because it's got the nitric acid, it's got the silver nitrate and all. Are you all with me on this? We got that. Then neutralize with potassium hydroxide, you get that also in there. And then you add a few drops of silver nitrate, you get that inside. So everything is more or less there in terms of that. Okay. So remember that with this one, they've specifically just shown 1 halogenoalkane. Do you see? They did not say that you should perform it with the other halogenoalkanes. They specifically just said which one? 2-chloro blah blah blah. Okay. But when we get to number 3, okay, Angela.
Yeah.
Number 3. What does it tell us on number 3, Angela?
Should I read it?
Yes, please.
Arrange 3 test tubes in a row and add 3 drops of halogenoalkane in the sequence 1 chlorobutane, 1 bromobutane, 1 hydrobutane.
Yeah. So all these are all the different halogenoalkanes, isn't it, Whitney?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all the different halogenoalkanes. Then it tells you to add something, and when you add it, what do you have to note? When they said here, note the order in which the precipitates appear. How do you do that? What could you quantify? The order. The best way to do it is when you add it, you kind of time it. Time it. Now, you don't need, we're not going to give you a stop clock or anything. These days, all your smartphones have got a stop clock. So let's use that now. Yes? Isn't it smart, isn't it? That's why they are called smartphone. Very soon your phones will be answering all your questions for you. You just have to ask Suri.
Siri. Yeah, Siri does that.
Do you know Suri?
Yeah.
Siri.
You know Suri, Fatima?
Yes.
Okay.
Siri's one of my best friends.
He's the best friend. Sorry? Why are we timing it? Good. Hannah, tell us.
Because
so Bashak, yeah, Bashak.
We're timing it because you want to know which, like the order.
The order. We want to know which one comes first. So if one is 5 seconds, the next one is 10 seconds, the other one is 15, then you know the order in which they come. Are we all right with that? What's going on here?
It's ringing.
From reception?
Yeah.
Someone wants to speak to you.
Hello, chemistry? Oh, sorry, I'm teaching at the moment. This is the chemistry lab. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. All right. No, it isn't. This is a chemistry lab. It could be that I think it's Sue Baker you want, isn't it? I did see her earlier in the lab here, but she's gone back into her office, I think, yeah. Okay, all right then. Bye. Okay, where were we?
Talking about the timing.
The timing, okay, order, that's fine, that's good. And it tells you to, so you're going to compare with all the ones that they've listed here. They said 1 chloro, 1 bromo, 1 iodo, that's all. Don't make up your own. I remember last time people wanted to make something up, isn't it? Do we remember? We forgot it. Wait, do you remember? Who was the one who wanted to mix it all?
Yeah, it was after the experiment.
Okay, it's history now. Okay, next one. Repeat the experiment, that's 3B, in further 3 tests. So what are the 3 tests? You use 1 chloro.
Good afternoon. Could Sue Baker please contact reception? That's Sue, could you pick...
Sam, I think you better come and teach now.
You too tired? No.
Yeah.
Fed up.
Okay. So 1 chloro, 2 chloro, and 2 chloro, 2 methyl. So you set these 3 up. Again, you type them and see what the order of reaction is. And that's how you deal with it. Okay, so that's that. The last page which you've got, okay, where's that now? Yeah, the last page is reaction of alcoholic alkaline. This we will, Madame Esperanza will be setting it up for us, and that would also be a demo. We'll just all gather and then look at that, and that will conclude our practical for today. Okay. Now, how we've been working so far, is it pairs or groups or whatever? I think 4 is a bit too
2s
big.
or 3s.
Yeah, I think it's only got to be 2, no more than 3. Okay, right. And I don't want just one person working on their own, because that becomes a problem as well. So at least you other pair up.
So far,
talk about bond energy.
Sam has put in 1 centimetre cube of potassium hydroxide, same amount of ethanol, and 0.5 centimetre cubes of 2-chloro 2-methyl propane. He's now shaking it from side to side for a minute.
Really tired. You don't sleep, do you?
Yeah, I know at work, college, coursework, work.
Etc. Before he shook it, he neutralised it as well. Ah, missing it.
Should go white.
What was that added?
Silver nitrate was added.
Silver nitrate was added.
And it gives you a white cloudy precipitate, which is silver chloride, I think it says. Yeah, silver chloride.
Nice.
Propene is
1, 2,
3.
3, yeah.
2, 3, and on number 2 you've
Yeah.
got a chlorine and you've got a methyl group.
Yes, methyl group, okay.
Yeah.
Right. Then when you hydrolyze with silver nitrate, this goes off and then it's replaced by OH.
Ah, so it's made an alcohol.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so it hasn't made that at all. It's made propanol. Methyl propanol.
Why is that?
The potassium hydroxide,
Yeah.
along with all the other, the silver is catalysed,
Yeah.
taking the chlorine off and replacing it with the hydroxide group. So you get that comes off, and OH comes on here, like that. That's gone. Imagine that's gone.
Yeah.
So that's gone, and that OH is joined on. So you've got a
methyl group.
Yeah, you got 2-methylpropanol. A methylpropanol.
That's it. What's this for you then? Nothing.
No, it's just to suggest that the chlorine's gone.
Yeah, so that it can.
I can try.
So I don't know whether.
Wait there for
Step 3, comparison of halogenoalkanes. So far, 4 centimetre cubed of silver nitrate
Angela, you have to cover your eyes.
has been put in 3 test tubes.
Yes, you got your hand. Thank you.
Water is now being boiled.
Yeah, watch my finger.
Pouring boiling water into a
Just
beaker.
a little bit so that everybody can have some.
Yeah.
Let's just explain. Or you can explain. And then press pause after you finish. Okay. 3 things. Test tubes.
Should I press
Oh, it's
start?
got a lid.
When we put it in the hot water, you press start, yeah?
How much?
So, yeah, so hang on. I don't know how much it is. Oop. It's going to be a few drops. Where, what are you doing?
You make yourself, you get a big.
Yeah, a few drops.
Then
3 drops.
And get petrol.
Ready?
Wait.
So 3 drops and then bang it in, yeah? 3 drops and then straight in the water. And you've got to press start. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3. Mine came out of the squirt.
Yeah, I just put in. Did you press start? Yeah. That's it.
Alright.
Right now we have to see which one. Flaming heck, they are smelly. That's my one, so that's chlorine. Still think we should label these. Probably.
It's a lot of teamwork here. That's what I like to see.
We got to see which one. We got to see which one reacts first. You getting this? So I got isobutane. Yeah, I'm holding your one.
Yeah, his one's reacting fast.
Whose?
His one.
Liam's.
Yeah.
Oh, isobutane. Is it changing colour? Yeah, it's kind of going a little bit foggy in the middle, like a tornado. All of them. What time is?
So that was chlorobutane, bromobutane and isobutane put into the 4 centimetre cubed of silver nitrate in the water bath or boiling beaker. Yeah, but you can't really see anything anyway.
Oh, can you not?
No, well I can't with my
As
eyes.
soon as I say, you need to write down times.
What are we on? What? Number 3?
Yeah.
I'll pause it for the time being. So, there's nothing going on. At about 1 minute 20, which one was it?
That was iodine, isobutane.
Isobutane started to form precipitate. Is that alright?
Yeah.
3 minutes 30. It's gone slightly greeny or grey colour.
That's chlorine.
That was chlorobutane. Chlorobutane at 3 minutes 30 went kind of grey colour and formed a precipitate. 5 minutes gone and bromobutane has still not done anything, not reacted.
No, we're not looking at the one at the bottom.
No change in colour or any sign of reaction. After 7 minutes, there's still no change in the last one. Which was it?
It was what was the other one?
Bromine.
It was bromo.
To repeat it.
Is that bromo?
Yeah.
Yeah, bromo. We're now repeating the first experiment we did, but with instead a primary, a secondary and tertiary halogenoalkane. So same method again, by putting in 3 test tubes 4 centimeters cubed of silver nitrate.
Should I start it now?
Hang on. We got to get fresh water. 1 second.
Okay, I started.
Ready?
Go, go, go.
No, wait. That would be really careful. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Go.
I
And
started.
straight in the water.
Right, could you be finishing off now so that we can do the demo? Can you put all the other things away, tidy up please, so that we can do the demo here?
Oh,
Oh yeah.
what's that one? 30 seconds.
Tertiary.
Which one's gone? Tertiary.
Yeah.
Any other
It might have happened even quicker.
I'm just gonna
30 seconds.
about to go.
30 seconds.
As soon as I looked at it.
What is that one? Tertiary.
Yeah.
How'd you spell that?
TERTIAY.
Yeah. Come and start with us. I'm getting this.
That's the easiest way to do it, actually. Just holding it.
Yeah. Yeah, but have you? Where's the halogenoalkane?
Oh crap.
Yeah. What does it tell you to do? I think they're supposed to
I'll stop.
warm it up.
Oh crap, I pressed something. Zoom, it's alright. Oh, why has it started at 1 minute 30 again? Oh, I think with this she stopped the previous one. Doesn't matter. Alright, so tertiary went after 30 seconds.
Okay, that's primary on the right. Very ill. And something. It looks a bit more clouded than the other one. Oh no, might just be me thinking it.
You're right, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. Definitely.
And then we make sure you fix
I don't, yeah. What's the time? What's the time?
It's 56.
It's definitely different.
56 seconds.
Or is that just steam?
2.
Is
56.
that steam? Sam? Is this steam or is it...
Huh?
Is this steam or has it reacted?
I can't see. Take them out.
I just took it out.
No, they're fine.
Oh.
Keep going. Okay.
It looks very different.
Yeah.
What is this?
I don't know what it is. I'll try and wait and see if we can get a proper full something. Oh no, it doesn't.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, it is. No, it's gone.
Oh
yeah.
right, it was ages ago then. What was the time?
2:50.
What, back when you first said it?
Huh?
Back. Oh yeah. So, I'll take it out. So after 2 minutes 37, the secondary went slightly cloudy. Not very much, but yeah. I'll leave it in there just to see if it does any more. What's yours?
No, I've got it.
So it says here to 2 cm cubed of potassium hydroxide. in ethanol. So let's get the 2 cubic centimeters of potassium hydroxide in the test tube, okay? So what we do is we've got it here. I'm gonna put that in there. That's one. So I'll just put it inside there. That's just like cotton wool, but it's called fiber, glass fiber.
Like we have in the loft.
So we got that here. Then we've got the 2. Then it says add 0.5 of this one here. So let me use a different pipette. So we've got this one will be 0.5. So small. Let's check this one. Okay, that's, whoops.
That's what happened with my one.
It just goes off like that, doesn't it? Okay.
You're losing it.
Yeah. Let's put all the tops on.
So please, what do we have inside?
We've got, first of all, the potassium hydroxide dissolved in ethanol, okay? And I've mixed this with the 2-methyl propane. So we've got that inside here. What I'm going to do is, so they're all kind of mixed together inside here. I'm going to put this on here, okay? And then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to fill this with water right to the brim, like that. Okay, let's see. Can you hold on to that? I just need a stopper for that, if I can get a stopper.
Someone explains it, I don't think you can.
That one will do.
That one.
Just put more water in and then. Hold this for me, please. Okay, I'm going to put more of this inside here to just when it just hits the top here. I'm going to put this into here. Let's just bring this close by and we can put this here. Let's start warming this up a bit. And what I'm going to do is put this under here. So we've got this. Whoops, it shouldn't. No, I've got the water. Now I can do this. Can you see the gas is coming in? Okay, so we've got a gas coming up there. Please make a note of all this, what's going on. So later on you'd have to identify what gas it is.
Yeah, the water is clean.
Yeah, so that's why I'm collecting the gas. That's how, remember I filled it up with water, displacing the water, and then there'll be gas there. Then later on I'm going to collect that gas. Yeah, okay. So I'll wait here. So okay. Now what I'm going to do is I have here bromine water. Okay. As soon as can you help me open this and I'll put this in there. Then we put it back on. Yeah, put it back here. Okay, look at the bromine water which we just put in there. It's orange. I'm gonna.
There's gas inside it, right?
Yeah, the gas should kind of decolorize it a little bit, but it's not happening yet. See. Let's collect some more gas and see what happens. Hold on to this. Let me get some more gas.
Down the thing, by the way. In the other test tube.
Shouldn't be. Okay, let's push it. Then it will come out. Can you hold it like this for me just for a minute? Just to that, yeah? And whilst I fill this up.
Pressure.
Is that how it's supposed to
I think
be?
you got water in there.
So look, there's water in the thing.
Where?
In the other test tube.
It shouldn't be. Oh, it shouldn't go that way at all. How did the water? There's a back sack when. Okay, let's just see. Okay, just stop it now. Then we take this out.
Gas still be produced then?
Yeah, the gas is still there. Let's see what happens.
It wasn't like, no way. Not touching that.
See, what should happen here, which is not really happening, is that it should decolorize this bromine water. Okay, it should become lighter than this, like that. It has changed a little bit, but it hasn't completely, meaning that we didn't collect enough. Look, let's compare it to the other one. Let's see what's happened to the other one here. See, the other one too is slightly lighter than the orangey color there. So can you just make a note that it slightly decolorized it? That's all we can say. Yeah, and then we'll stop there. Yeah, just to show. But the most important thing is to show you how the gas is produced and the process.
The oily film.
Sorry?
What's the oily film?
Yeah, we're going to talk about that. Okay, let me just put these away and then we can talk about it.
Theo,
Yeah.
with combustion, I don't think anyone did it.
Yeah,
It will just set on fire, won't it?
it will set on fire. Just put that here.
Yeah.
What happens?
It will release.
If water,
Right. Are you listening to Sam? Sam, tell them what you
It will
just
just
said.
set on fire like everything
what
else.
will set on fire?
It will set alight.
When you try to combust them, because no one did the combustion for number one, it will just set on fire.
Okay.
And it will just react with the oxygen in the air. Will the halogen be released, or will it be when you're?
Yeah, that's why it should be done in a fume
Yeah.
covered. It's mine.
So the halogen, yeah,
But do research into that and then
yeah.
what I expect you to do.
And I've done it. It's sitting on my computer.
Hello.
That one's done.
Oh, you done it?
Yes, on my computer. My friend has got it in.
Yeah, that's different. You've got a free tenner.
That's literally doing that.
No, that one didn't.
You did, I think you did.
Right. Are we all here now?
These all count for upgrade.
Someone said 1 second. Who was that? Yeah, a Fatima is here. Who else was on your table there? Yeah, okay, so you're here. Okay, right. To be able to do this properly, you would need to research and find out some of the reactions of alkenes. Now, remember you did a comparative thing to say which one reacted faster than the other. It is important for you to read through to find out and read about the energy, bond energies. So we've got bond energies which are responsible for holding the two atoms together. Are you clear? So we've got bond energies. So make a note about that so that you research into that. So, but you can get all this from any A-level book. Normally this is done at AS level. So if you go to the library, you get an AS chemistry book and you look at halogenoalkanes. It will provide a lot of background to this. So can you try and do that and then fill this up, and then we discuss it, then the following week you write a report about it. But I want you to understand it first. It's no use me saying write a report when you don't understand what's going on. Are we clear on this?
Yeah.
Okay. Also, anyone who hasn't handed in their report should do so as soon as possible. Today was the day, but if you can't bring it today, you can either send it to me latest by tomorrow. You've got my email address, so you can send it to me online. Okay, thank you. You can go now.
Years and they're done.
Well, why should it not be brown?